Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a React.js SaaS application which can earn you a lot of passive income once you deploy this application to a custom domain. So if you're looking forward for a PDF editor like Canva or Adobe Acrobat, I've deployed this on my website. You can check the full description to check the demo link. So once you go to this application, the interface looks something like this. And if you need the source code, you can directly purchase it. The link is given in the description. This is a full directory structure of the project. It's using the latest version of React and PDFlib and PDFJS test. And we are running this project locally here. So once you purchase it, it's very easy for you to run this application. And before you purchase it, you can check the live demo. So right here, you first of all select whichever PDF file you want to edit. After you select the PDF file, the pages will render out as you will see. And then we have different controls. This is the annotation control, where you pick the font size and the color of the annotation. You basically make the change here, as you can just see. After making the change, click on the save button, navigate to the next page. Then we also have control for adding text. Here you specify the font size, and here you can place it the text. Click on save. Then we also have ability to embed images as well. So here you specify the width and the height of the image. Click on save. After you do this, click on the download button to actually download the output file. So it's a very simple single page SaaS kind of an application where you can deploy this and earn a lot of passive income by subscription based fees or putting advertisement. So this is a great idea. You can earn up to I think $100 per month because many people are looking forward for editing their PDF files. They make use tools like Canva or Adobe Acrobat, but this project I developed it from scratch. So it's very easy for you to deploy this. Simply need to run the command npm run build. This will build out this entire project and will be able to deploy this really easily. So before you purchase it, you can, the link is given. You can definitely try out this project. If you're interested, this will be the source code you will get. And if you still face any problem, I will definitely help you. And it's a simple SaaS kind of application, around about $100 per month you can earn. So it's a Canva or Adobe Acrobat clone kind of an SaaS app. So definitely check this out.